That's me right there.
Can't stop. Don't stop. Hold up.
That's me right there. Nobody gotta tell me how to.
Hey you guys, my name is Kaiya McMorris and welcome to my YouTube channel. So what we're about to do is we're about to fill in my eyebrows with the Anastasia pomade in dark brown. So what I'm doing is outlining the top and the bottom of my eyebrows, and then I'm going to fill them in the middle, and then I'm going to feather them out in the beginning of my eyebrows. And y'all don't mind me acting crazy in this video. I'm just excited because this is my first YouTube video. So what we're going to do is get my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Warm Honey and just clean up my eyebrows. And then I'm also going to do my pat and drag method to have a smooth surface on my eyebrow bone. Now I don't go all the way to the front of my eyebrows because I'm going to use my foundation to get it to be looking natural, and then I'm going to clean up the top of my eyebrows as well with my foundation because I don't want like a halo effect. Now this foundation here, I got it the other day, but I thought it was my skin color because it looked okay when I did my eyebrows. When I get to my face, it was a little bit lighter, but we'll get to that in a minute. Now, as I said again, I'm just cleaning up the top of my eyebrows, and I'm using the foundation so it won't give me a halo effect if I use my concealer. And the only reason that I'm meeting up the concealer and the foundation with the beginning of my eyebrows is because I want my eyebrows to be really, really neat in the beginning. I want them to meet up. Now I'm just pulling out the foundation here just to have a smooth surface. Now I'm getting my blending brush. Lord, please, y'all, please don't mind my blending brush. It has tape on it because it broke, but I've had it for so long now with the tape on it, and it has did a wonderful job. Now I'm using that same LA Girl Pro Concealer and Warm Honey as my primer for my eyelid. And now I'm getting my air sponge just to set my eyebrows and my eyelids. Now I'm about to get ready to get my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to get that brown shade, and then I'm just going to use that as my transitioning color. Now I don't know the name of the Juvia's palettes, but I'm going to put them in the description box below. So now I'm about to get another Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use that pink shade, and I'm going to put that in my crease, and then I'm going to blend it up just a little bit in my transition color, which is that brown shade. So now I'm about to do a half cut crease with the same concealer, Warm Honey. And what I was doing was just adding a little bit more of the Warm Honey concealer because I just ran out. Now I'm going to get that pink shimmer shade and I'm going to put that in my cut crease. And then I'm going to get that same pink shade and I'm going to blend out my cut crease, just the ending of it. And you won't believe it, but I only use 3 colors, a shimmer shade and 2 matte colors. That is amazing. Now I did my eyeliner off camera because that was a tough task. But now I'm getting my duo glue and I'm going to put that on my cut crease on my lid because I'm about to use some chunky glitter. I'm letting it dry a little bit. And now I'm getting ready to apply the chunky glitter. Now I hate I couldn't show y'all, but guess where I got this from? I got this from Amazon. That is amazing. Okay? I mean, this chunky glitter is so pretty. Look at there. Ooh, yes. Yes. So now what I'm doing is I'm just pulling out some of those large sequences because one side had a lot of large sequences and then the other side didn't have as many, and I didn't want too many of the large sequences, so I just pulled some of them off on the other side of my eye, whichever one had too many. See there? So now what I'm doing is I'm just cleaning off that excess glitter around my face so I can get ready to put the foundation on. Now I'm getting ready to put on my eyelashes. I can't tell y'all the eyelashes. I got these from a friend from school, but they are bomb. Now I'm just using my tweezers, you know, to make sure that the eyelashes are sitting really comfortable on my eyelids. And then I'm gonna mash them together with my real eyelashes. Now I'm gonna use my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and then I'm just gonna blend in my real eyelashes with the fake eyelashes. Now I'm going to use my Mario setting spray, and I'm going to use that as a primer for my face. Now you see here, when I get ready to buff out my foundation with my buffing brush, you're going to see that it's kind of like, it's like not matching my neck a little bit, but once it dries down, it starts to do the job that it's supposed to do. I normally don't even use this foundation. This is my first time using it. And now I'm not going all the way up around my eyes too much because that's where I'm going to put the concealer at, because I want to make sure my concealer pops out in my face. Getting around my neck because you know they're white cast. Now, now I'm getting ready to use my concealer and warm honey again and put that in the highest points of my face. Now I'm getting my Real Techniques brush and then I'm just blending out that concealer. Now I only put a little bit of the concealer on my forehead because I didn't want my forehead to come out too much. Yeah, see how the foundation is coming along? Like it's starting to dry up, so now it's okay now. It's not that bad. Now I'm just getting my small brush to blend it out. Now I'm getting my concealer and Beautiful Bronze to contour my face. And I'm going to use the same one for my nose. And now I'm getting my contour brush to just buff out the contour. And I'm going upwards. I'm stippling and going upwards. And now I'm bringing that contour up into my eyeshadow because I want my eyes to be a little bit more defined. And then I'm getting ready to use this same Airspun translucent powder and I'm just setting my highest points of my face. Now what I'm getting is my contour powder for my contour. And this is Anastasia in medium and tan. And I'm just stiffling upwards and I'm getting it all over my neck. And now I'm just dusting off that translucent powder. Now I'm just contouring my nose with that same contour shade that I use for the perimeter of my face. I'm making sure I get at the bottom of my nose because I want to make sure I have a button nose. Now I'm getting ready to get my Ruby Kisses white eyeliner and I'm putting it up under my eye. I want to bring my eyes out a bit. I never use white. I always use black. So now I'm going to use white today. Just something different. Now this white eyeliner, I know I'm not used to it because I was getting ready to tear up. It was so pretty, but I was getting ready just to like cry. Like it felt so weird. Now I'm using that same pink shade and I'm putting it up under my eye, and then I'm going to use that same transitioning color and I'm going to put it after the pink. Now you guys, I'm going to set my contour, and for some reason I'm still working on how to like make sure that it's the same way as the other side. I kind of feel like my mouth is crooked, so that's probably why it's like that, but I'm working on it. Now I'm getting my LA color blush, and I'm just going to be using that as my blush color. It's kind of like a pink, shiny looking color. It's really pretty. Now I'm just buffing out that powder, just getting it all out, get it all out. Oh, I got a tongue twister. It's so pretty. I'm so happy I did this. Now I'm just getting that same mascara and I'm doing my bottom lashes. And now I'm getting ready to clean off around my mouth because I'm getting ready to put my lips on. So I'm getting the Ruby Kisses in Cocoa, the lip liner, and I'm putting that on my lips. And then I'm going to get this glitter lip gloss by this girl that goes to high school. Her name is Nell. And she does good. She did this handmade. And it smells amazing. It smells great. And now I'm going to get my fan brush. And I'm going to use this highlighter here. It's like pink shade. And I'm going to use that as my highlighter. Pretty. And I'm going to put that on my nose as well. Especially on the button of my nose. Yes, girl, yes. Now I'm going to get my Mario spray and I'm going to set my face. And dry and dry, dry. Make sure that everything is dry. And so now we'll be right back to finish up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so happy. I hope you guys can just make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. And keep in touch with me. Press that bell, whatever that button is. Make sure you get ready to see all my notifications because I'm coming back with another video. Whoa there. Look at there. That's a look right there for you. Thank you guys so much. I'm so happy. And I'm so excited to learn new things. See y'all next time. Come back again. Bye.